Hello friends! In today's video I will show you my 2022 bullet journal setup. I'm not doing a typical weekly spread because I have a separate daily planner that helps me stay organized. Instead of it, I will be showing you my work journal setup that can easily be adjusted into daily or weekly planner. Notebooks, markers and other stationery items I'm using are from Stationery. I will leave a link for their store in the video description below. They have so many amazing items with affordable prices, and you can also use my coupon code that gives you a discount at checkout. So the first page is going to be a collage made from scrapbook papers and washi tapes. I cut my name from washi tape roll and titled this journal as video ideas using alphabet stamps. The next two pages are decorated with world map scrapbook paper. I was saving this design for one of my journals and I thought it will fit in the theme of this one. Flipping to the next page, I decided to write 2022 in Roman numerals. I'm using large alphabet stamps and black ink to do it. Even though this is not a typical journal, I decided to add a monthly calendar. This way I can easily plan my videos and upload dates. The next spread can be easily adjusted into weekly spread. There are 7 idea boxes that can also be replaced with days from Monday to Sunday. Side boxes can also be used to write down tasks or important notes. Washi tape title can be renamed into week 1. I'm finishing this spread with a quote and some decorative stickers. I find the next spread really useful when uploading the same content to multiple social media platforms. I cut off a few centimeters from 2 pages. On top of the third page are names of social media platforms. There is an empty space for video title on the left side of smaller pages. Instead of drawing squares, I decided to use washi tape circles and I will tick off completed videos with metallic or white markers. The next 2 pages are dedicated to my main YouTube channel. Instead of creating smaller pages from this notebook, I'm gluing some extra papers to it. These papers will be used to write down title of the video, supplies I need to film it and other notes. On the left page, I'm adding 3 boxes for upload dates, brand collaborations and other important information. With this journal I went for an old vintage look, so I'm also staining edges of the paper with brown ink for additional worn out effect. I'm aware this is not a typical bullet journal setup, but I hope it gives you some inspiration for your own one. I like to create art journals and collage pages, and I wanted to include that into my work journal. At the moment I'm working on 2 other journals. The first one is a large art journal, and I included some footage of me making a holiday page into this video. I have a few empty pages left in this notebook, and then I will be using this gorgeous constellation notebook for my next art journal. But my recent obsession are those mini journals. They are just so cute and fun to decorate. Even though I have plenty of free pages to use, I already have a new pink one on the way. I will be uploading another unboxing video in January. I'm very excited for this new year, and I hope you all achieve the goals you set up for 2022. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like it if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you won't miss a new one.
Keep on waiting for a sign. Heaven sees